Fabulous Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2018 Ford F-450 Platinum. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is powered by that 6.7 liter Powerstroke Turbodiesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the dually body style, and has the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera with a lovely 8-foot box. Got the nice Bedliner, tailgate step, bed camera, those dual rear wheels, mud flaps on the rear and front, power deployable running boards that will go up and down when you close or open your doors, keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, trailer tow mirrors with turn light, spotlight indicated, side view camera. And moving to the front, we got a black hood deflector, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice red and gray leather interior, plenty of door space in the back, leathering on the door, floor mats, carpet interior with a flat fold storage system, cup holders, rear vents, 12 volt heated back seats, 2 USBs, 110 volt, and of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space. We got the nice Platinum logo here with a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver seat as well as massaging. Same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Memory seating for up to 3 drivers. Power folding mirrors, all that jazz. Spotlights, lights, tailgate, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 142,329 kilometers. We do get this leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, volume, playback, play forward, mode, mute voice phone, cruise control, and toggle-free screen, which you can then go through My View, trip and feel, truck info, towing, off-road, and other settings. To my right, we get the lots of storage up front with storage underneath. Cup holders, you get 2 more if need be. More storage here with some outlets, and it does close for a sleeker look. Got that leathering on the center console as well. Tons of more storage with trailer brake, 4-wheel drive, heated and cooling front seats with dual climate. Got a CD, 12 volt and 110. Storage above, below, and on the dash with the Sony sound system. 6 upfitter switches you can set up however you please. A nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, engine brake, traction, hazards, hail, and 360 view of the vehicle. Got your media controls right here. Navigation, audio phone, heated steering wheel. For your audio, we're just going to click into it. We get AM, FM, Bluetooth, CD, Sirius XM. We get your climate controls up here or down there, whatever you prefer. Got your phone. See, has been previously connected. Navigation. Any apps you may download will show up right here. Settings, mobile apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, ambient lighting, and for your massaging seats for the driver and passenger. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC26017A, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.